Dimas,
Hello, Kevin.
did you have your haircut?
Hello. Yes, I have. It's kind of like from the thing, kind of like police haircut.
No. So where are you now?
I'm outside actually.
So that we are here.
Are you in Jakarta?
No. I'm outside of the house.
I wish you came here.
Yes,
But,
I can hear you very clear.
You were here right now. Behind sini. Yaski.
Irhan.
Cerita.
Who's there? Who's there? Oh, Rafita. Who's there? Who's the girl?
Okay. So
Okay.
let's continue the meeting. Just greeting. Okay, you can share
Who's
the
the
screen.
girl, sir? Who's the woman? The right of you.
Oh, Revita again, not showing. Revita, come here.
Oh, Rafita.
Gitu kedengaran. Halo.
Hello, nice to meet you, Rafita.
Ini Mas.
Rafita on finance.
Yeah. Okay.
Okay. Nice to see everybody in there.
Okay.
Let's start the meeting. First, from the thank you. My personal base is already making a mutation for create user and modify
Okay.
user. And I'm actually a little bit happy about this week. How about yours?
Okay. Alhamdulillah. There is a nice development in the investor side. I get a lot of insight. Okay, we'll be pitching to several venture capitals this Friday. So nice.
Okay. Wait. The speaker. Okay. Next, scorecard, prop review, and team member headlines. There's a new team member again, named Jelita, right? Njia Jelita.
Yeah.
Nice to have her. And the to-do list is mutation for create user and modify user.
Okay.
May I demonstrate?
Okay. Oh, you already made a blog also, right?
Yeah. So from the service, I create a simple function here to create a user. I'll find the slug because slug is unique username. I find by slug, check if there is existing user with the slug. If there is an existing user, I throw an error that user already exists. If not, I try to insert the data into our DB. And I will return the data that already inserted by find by slug again.
Okay.
From edit user, same logic here. I'm gonna find if there is an user, I'm gonna throw an error that user doesn't exist.
Okay.
If user exists, I'm gonna update. This is the method update where the slug is the user that input, and the the update is the edit user data itself.
Okay, but
And
I would say that my feedback is that if you edit something, it should be based on ID, not based on slug. Okay, so edit, update, or delete. Although I don't, also delete is always by ID, not by slug. Slug is only used for finding it sometimes. Okay.
yeah,
But that's for checking for existing, checking for existing, oh yeah, that's true. But when you do the update, it should be by ID, not by slug. On line 37, line 37.
I can change this.
Yeah, but if you just check for, because slug cannot be duplicate, that's true. You should check.
But from create, I think I have to check with slug, because if we create a user, we don't have any user ID before, so I'm gonna stuck with find by slug, and the edit I can find by ID.
Yeah, and
Actually, I doing this because I want my user input the same. If I want to try different, find by ID and find by slug, I have to make two different input type. I'm only using one input type here to create and modify. This is the input type. And for demonstration, I make 3 fields. We can edit later here.
Okay.
And
that's good.
this is the mutation, and it's also very simple. Just passing the data of user input into the parameter of the function.
Okay.
If we run it on playground here, I'm gonna mutation. We have two here, create user and edit user. First we create user data. I'm gonna insert all. And email. I'm gonna return the ID. ID is generated by MongoDB. Yeah.
Okay.
In here, it should see that. Oh, there's an error.
Okay.
Email handy. And the data is already created in our MongoDB.
Right. Okay.
We refresh here. Already created. And if we try to edit, same for slug have to be the same. Mr. Handy, what's your last name?
Irawan.
Like that?
Yep.
Handy at Lovia. And if we I have an error. User data on edit user of type mutation. Did you mean edit user data? Edit user. Wait a minute. Edit user.
I got the error.
I try before I
No, just
access.
do
Oh.
control space. Yeah. Okay, you found it.
Ah, I forget to change that parameter.
Yeah. So that's the nice thing about GraphQL. Right? So you know exactly what parameters is needed.
Okay. And we already can see that the name and email are updated.
Okay, that's nice.
It's very powerful. I think GraphQL is really that powerful. It's so easy, the data and the endpoint of the backend make backend development is quite easy, I guess. Although the issue, I have an issue yesterday that makes me try to solve it in one full day. I think the error is I just can get it right from the error. It takes me 2 days to solve it, and it's kinda have already. It's kinda got nothing to do with the dependency. So there is an overlay and not kinda supported dependency of each other. The newest Nest GraphQL, I think.
Okay.
And the type GraphQL and this types GraphQL actually the newest can support each other, and I'm trying to make to the other ones, and it kind of doesn't support the other one, and I'm just going over and over again, and because we have a lot of package here. I mean, I don't know, this is little maybe.
Yeah, that's
but
backend for you.
Yeah. Yeah, but I have that issue, but I already solved it.
So how did you? So I think it's still using NestJS 6, right? This version. So how did you solve the problem? Yeah, because the latest NestJS is 7.3.
7. I get it back again to 6.
Yeah, because there is different architecture and so on in the newest one. But yeah, but we will move to NestJS 7.3 or newer.
Okay.
But yeah, it will need a bit of refactoring to update the dependencies and maybe some syntax has changed. But how did you solve it? Going back to NestJS.
I back the older version and make an edit. I make an edit on GraphQL. There is error syntax. The error syntax import syntax. There was an error in the package, and I try to edit it into the older syntax, and it works.
Okay, that's nice. Okay,
and that's it.
Right, that's good. So, so you have made a blog post, but not yet the video, yeah?
Yeah. Actually, the blog and the code itself, I made it this morning.
Okay.
And I'm not making the video yet.
Okay. So, but I think you have not pushed to GitLab, yeah?
Yeah, I haven't.
Okay, so please put to push to GitLab ya. So
Okay.
every change every day, please push to GitLab. So because sometimes I will make a change and there needs to be like, you know, the work needs to be synchronized. So there will be no
Okay.
conflict.
Okay.
Okay.
Is there anything else, sir?
Okay, I would say that's it. And after you have uploaded the video, please update the blog post so to put the video in there.
Okay. Okay.
Okay. Right. And then the next one, yeah.
So for the next to do.
Okay, the next to do, this would be, okay. The problem is that there is no front end yet for this. But if you just continue to work on the back end without a front end, I'm not sure that will be like, you know, fun for having just a back end. So I wonder if you are okay if you make at least some front end work. It doesn't have to be like complete or something, but so it gives you a way to experience it from the front end part. Yeah. So do you think that's okay for you?
Okay, but I'm just gonna make a dummy front end.
Well,
Is
it
that
won't
okay?
be a dummy. It will connect to the GraphQL backend here, and yeah, it will also be used by another team member. I would say if there is another. Actually, I plan for, yeah, hopefully Maulana to collaborate with this. However, currently, since he is doing another task, so yeah, not yet for this one. So I would say that, yeah, at this stage, that you can create a template for that.
So the front end is gonna be using Leather. The front end that I'm making will be used later.
Yeah, it will be used. It will be used, and also it will be expanded, and it will have a like better UI, better layout. But as far as you are concerned, it doesn't have to be like beautiful or something, but just that to check if the required logic works, because the ROC have like a sign up process, yeah, sign up process from the start for the user to have an account, and then the user can edit that and also to search other profiles, something like that.
Okay.
So yeah, I would say that's it.
Okay.
And
using React.
Yeah, so there are several requirements here. Please put there. Please put React. We use React, Redux, and Design, and Apollo client, and Apollo client 3. Yeah. And Apollo client 3. All right.
Okay.
Okay. And so actually, I think there is a bit of, and then I will share you the project. But this is just like a very skeleton type of project.
Oh.
Yeah. So yeah, you actually already have access to it. It's called Miluf PWA in GitLab. You can check it out, or you can put the link here if you want. Actually, I should put the link there. Yeah. on GitLab, yeah.
Here, right?
Yeah, that one. So you can try to clone it and then run it and then make the modifications that you need. So basically, you will have a sign up. So sign up is just create user, and then after that, there should be a way for someone to do edits. But
Okay.
at this stage, if you don't have any authentication or so on, that will be okay. Okay, we can do the authentication later, because authentication is mostly just using the right JWT token, right? But like the UI and everything, that will be like
Okay.
similar. So I would say that's it. So if you can, do you want? Actually, this one is not really necessary, but do you want to see the Figma design for the front end?
That would be nice.
Okay, I will show it to you. You don't have to follow it strictly, because again, your focus is on the front end, but at least you know how it's supposed to.
The front end going to be.
But for you, you don't have to care about like layout or, yeah, it's using InDesign, and basically as long as you are using the components there, then it will be looking quite okay. Don't worry if it's not aligned or something. You don't have to. You don't have to worry about how it looks.
Okay.
So yeah. So again, the
It
focus
is
is
implementing and is InDesign already installed in Lovia?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, so let me open the project again.
Okay.
Let's see. Where is it? Okay, so I will need to make you, okay, your email. Okay.
Okay.
Can you check your email and then open it? I will